Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today's lecture is continuity of previous lecture, that was Shimla conference and participants in Shimla conference. We will move towards the next lecture. So today we learn about failure of the conference. Lesson aim. The aim of this lesson is to enable the student to know about the failure of conference. Failure of the conference. The conference had to decide the political infrastructure, the formation of assemblies and government at central as well as provisional level. The move was encouraging for Congress. Whatsoever was the situation, the Congress was going to form the government on the basis of its majority. Congress joined the conference proceeding with high hopes. It had also declared before holding a conference that it would not accept partition in any case. Meeting points. The meeting started to discuss the first point on agenda, the point related to the nominations of 5 Muslim ministers of the Viceroy Executive Council. No other party had a right to send even a single member. The Viceroy and India National Congress wished to nominate Maulana Azad as Muslim minister. The Qaid did not agree to this proposal. Now, Viceroy asked Quaid-e-Azam to accept Malak Khizr Hayat Tewana, the leader of Unionist Party. The Quaid-e-Azam rejected this name as well as insisted that all the 5 ministers should be given to All India Muslim League. The very first point created our first and further discussion was vital. Therefore, the Shimla conference failed in getting an objective point of view after failure. First, Lord Wavell. Lord Wavell also criticized the inflexible attitude of the Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Quaid-e-Azam rejected the blame and disclosed the trap prepared by Lord and Gandhi to entrap the Muslims with their joint venture. Had Muslim League accepted the plan, would never have a separate state in the shape of Pakistan. Congress point of view. The Indian National Congress held the Quaid-e-Azam responsible for the failure. Conclusion. Shimla conference was a step to make a possible understanding between the British government and the Indian political leaders, but the formula of the nomination of Muslim members unwrapped. It was the foresight of the Quaid-e-Azam that rescued the Muslims. On the whole, the Wavell plan was symbol of weakness of the British rulers. Homework. Write short question answer 1 to 5 from page number 17 on loose sheet. Thank you. Have a nice day.